This is a real quick video to demonstrate the Tower 55 GEVO that I just bought here and its DCC capabilities. For anybody that's not familiar with DCC or digital command and control, it's a system where just like with, imagine remote control cars. Remote control cars have different frequencies, therefore there can be several on the same track running at the same time as long as they're all in different frequencies. Digital command control is similar, except the message transmits through the track rather than through the air, and every locomotive has a decoder in it that decodes the instructions that are going to that locomotive. And therefore you can build in additional features like sound and directional lighting and special effects, things like that. So I'm going to demonstrate this unit here. We take the DCC unit, we select the locomotive. The locomotive number is 5400. Enter, and we just get it idling. Different functions, all the different buttons do different sound functions on this locomotive. This one will start the bell ringing, turn on the lights, and we'll move out a little.